Good morning, this is NNH, Roving Reporters. Have you ever wondered what's inside the teacher trailer? Let's go take a look.
Welcome to the faculty trailer. Have a seat, have a beverage.
You know, Miss Collins, this is such a hard decision. I'm looking at all the treatments. I think I'll have a facial today.
Mrs. Gerbic, that actually sounds like a good idea, but I only have about a half an hour left of my prep. I'm not sure I have time for the facial. Maybe just a quick massage, but I still need to leave a few minutes for my smoothie. Ms. Bajakian, how's your massage going?
It was fantastic. Now I'm ready to teach Go Math.
Well, that was exciting. Back to you in the studio.